In order to get started using Overdrive on your tablet or mobile device, you'll have to go to your device's app store and download the Overdrive app. Once you've downloaded it, you'll just click it to open, and then to sign into your account, you'll choose the hamburger menu, then account, then sign in. You'll want to sign in using your library card so that it can be hooked up to Onondaga County Library. So first you're going to find your library by typing in NOPL. This will bring up Nopal's 3 branches, and you can choose your home branch to get started. Now it's going to prompt you to enter your library card number and PIN. And you click sign in. All right, now you're all signed in. You'll want to click add a title. And then this is where it gets a little tricky. You'll actually have to sign in one more time to make sure that you're linked up to the Onondaga County Library System. So, one last time, we'll type in our card number. And our PIN number. And then if you're the only one using your device, you can check the box to remember the card number. If other people use your device, then I would uncheck that so that no one can download anything without your permission. And there you go.